All right, welcome back to the Ernest P YouTube channel. Today we're looking at how to remove a front axle on a front-wheel drive vehicle, and there's definitely a better way than using pry bars. I've heard of experiences where people have hit on them with pry bars, you know, for days on end after they've got off of work, obviously, for hours, just hitting on them with pry bars. And in my experience and in their experience, it didn't work. Here's what you need. A 5-pound slide hammer. The part number from AutoZone is 27026. All right, so here's the 5-pound slide hammer, and then here's what this looks like. It's just a little fork. It goes right up behind that axle. You screw the slide hammer into that, and in one hit, usually those same axles that took hours and hours with pry bars will come out, usually with one little pop. So I'll set it up and show you what it looks like. All right, so you simply just couldn't see it on the video there, but here's what it looks like. They have a nut that comes with this as well, so you can run this all the way through, put the nut on the back, and keep this from spinning. I don't have any issues with that. You kind of got to get this wedged up behind that axle there. And if you can see how it goes, it's real flat, real skinny on this back part here. So you get it up behind there, and then all you do is just give it a tap with that slide hammer.